What up, ladies and gentlemen? Let me put it over here. What's up, y'all? All right. Even though I'm all right so far, still down. But anyway, welcome to this Facebook live stream, eventually on YouTube. Okay. So I want you to take a look one more time. The collapsed Hard Rock Hotel is gone. Okay. It's all clear. Y'all see? Yep. It's all gone. Yep. So let me cross over here. Let me cross over here. So so we can just all right, so that collapsed building is gone. Collapsed building is gone. Long gone. So so if y'all can look down there and see, it's all gone. Yep. It was a temporarily tourist attraction. Okay. It was a temporary tourist attraction. Okay. So now that it's gone, it's gone. Alright. Yep. Today's my mom's birthday, ladies and gentlemen. April 26th. She should have been 62 today. If she would have still been alive. Okay. So if y'all could take a look for me with this collapsed Hard Rock Hotel that's gone. Yep. It was all damaged. Okay. So y'all, I guess this empty lot ain't no tourist attraction. Right over here was the a bus stop to the St. Claude, the Jackson Esplanade. It used to be crowded right here, but maybe it's gonna pick up when all this get clear up, you know. So when all this get clear up and everything, fix the street up again, then we'll be back to normal. Right? I had better days, but still in all, today ain't my day. All right. So as y'all look at this vacant lot, well, I'm gonna go closer. You know, what was that? Never mind. What was that? All right. Right here, the Singular Theater, Popeyes used to be right here. They closed it down before Katrina, I think. You know. So here we go. Right there says to say do not enter. Okay. If y'all can see right there, okay. For those that's concerned, I'm all right though. Yeah. Slowly but surely, I'm trying to heal from anything else, you know. All right. So hope y'all like the video. Okay. All right, now about to go take a little walk. Okay. About to go get on the Esplanade bus, the Jackson Esplanade. I'm have to walk way to Duncan Plaza. Should have got on that canal bus right there. I thought the streetcar was gonna go down here, but I guess the wires ain't good enough right now, you know. Guess it ain't good enough, you know. All right, so as we still social distance from this COVID-19 and stuff like that, you know. That of course y'all know that's why I'm wearing a mask in public. That's why everybody is wearing a mask in public. So if you're not familiar with New Orleans, this is downtown New Orleans. Okay. Well, so some of you been here before, you know. They even have some people from where I used to live at, New Iberia, comes here, you know. Everybody's welcome. Right there was the St. Bernard bus stop, the New Orleans East bus stops, you know, like Lake Forest, Morrison, and Reed Crowder. Okay? So, all right, so, what's that? Looks nice over here. Never mind that. Never mind that. Okay? So, so as I walk and talk, everything. Uh-huh. Yep. So I'm just around here. About to go to Walmart on Chapatulas, you know. All right. Yep. Uh-huh. So normally I don't like coming downtown, you know. I only come downtown when I have to, you know. Too many tall buildings around here. Look at me right there. Wow, I hate downtown, you know? Uh-huh. Yep. So many tall buildings, huh? Yeah, this is my city. My city, my state. Kick it. All right? Uh-huh. So anyway, I'll probably miss that damn bus any goddamn way. Huh. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, might as well stop this recording. All right. Thank y'all for watching this, okay? All right, bye.